Aluminum alloy intake manifolds improve airflow, heat dissipation, horsepower, and fuel efficiency in diesel engines. Lightweight, heat-resistant, and more durable and cost-effective than plastic or cast iron. They're ideal for high-performance engines and diesel delete kits. Spelab's intake throughout is to X the OEM diameter, offering more space, eliminating air flow restrictions, preventing boost loss, and ensuring smoother delivery, boosting horsepower by up to 20 HP. The streamlined design near 180-degree parallel alignment reduces air flow restrictions, speeds up movement, and minimizes turbulence, improving intake efficiency and boosting engine power. Removing the grill heater improves airflow, allowing more air into the engine and enhancing performance.
Grill heater nut is perfect.
It's carbon colored.
Very good sign. So usually, guys, the problem here is this nut, after this is used so much, all the heat going through it will basically like destroy that nut, and it falls off the stud and it falls right into the motor, right in there. And your motor is then now.
Removing the grid heater reduces carbon buildup and residue. No grid heater failure, minimizing cleaning and lowering long-term maintenance costs. The intake manifold with the grid heater delete improves airflow, reduces heat loss, boosts power, and enhances fuel economy. Customizable colors also allow for personalized style.